Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add categories for your site in Duda. So let's go. First, what you want to do is go to e-commerce and click on Manage Store. In Manage Store, you want to click here on Catalog and then just Categories. And you're gonna see it here. You can just add a root category and let's write it, I don't know, photo. And you can change the image, have the category image or description. And when you will have it, let's click save, then go to product and just choose like a digital camera. And here you want to have categories, change categories and have a photo, and voila, okay, and click save. So this is how you can do it. Really easy, really simple. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.